consider 2020, one of the recent surveys, they consider that we are suffering a loss of $165 billion worldwide just in conflict management conversations. So you can imagine 2 hours of your time on a week, if you divide your earnings into per hour, how much you're losing in either resolving your own conflicts or resolving your team members' conflicts or connecting with your management to help you resolve the other conflicts. So these are 4 questions which have been frequently asked. The first question that I put across is, what is the reason behind the issue? Second is, how should I communicate? When should I say it? And why was I misunderstood? We all have deadlines. We are working with deadlines. It creates pressures. We have to deliver on time, irrespective of what we are suffering in our personal life. And those pressures have often been cited in 2020 as the top cause of conflict.
Number 1, every leader, every person must learn to raise and address the problems. What does this mean? We must clarify what our disagreement is. Then we must recognize the benefits that accrue from the differences. Then establishing the authentic behavior, very important, because what is the best way? If there are 3 different ways to solve a problem, which is the most likely, which is less likely, and which is the least likely?
One of the first things that is do is to start listening carefully, right? We don't want a conflict to end into resignation or a termination or any of those lines or a breakup. The more you grow stronger inside, right, the easier it becomes to say no. Emotional intelligence, use it in a positive way. You don't need to burden yourself with it, right? And if our personal confidence and our self-esteem is not high, then we find it difficult to ask for help.
Thank you so much for your active participation in our masterclass today. It was a significant one as this was the last one in 2020, a year which saw a lot of rise in conflicts. Our industry experts who represented defense, corporate, and media industry shared with us some techniques, skill sets that can be used in various scenarios to resolve and manage conflicts. We will be back soon with another masterclass as the year begins, and we certainly hope that the new year brings in lesser conflicts for all of us and more success, prosperity, and good health. With that wish, on behalf of the 4th Hot Corporate Communications and the Advanced Learning Institute, I'm Dr. Divya signing off, wishing you all Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. Thank you so much.